Start.
Hi students, today second year AM students are going to discuss about case study on graph. Good morning to all present here. Today we are going to see about the graph theory, which is applied on the friendship recommendation optimization. So you all know what is meant by graph. So graph is a type of structure which shows the relationship. This case study is going to see about how the nodes are connected and the edges have relationship. So for how we connect these graph theory on the social media is, for example, take the user as edge and friends as user. And this how the graph theory gonna explain in this theory, and now the team girls will explain it briefly.
So now I'll tell about the objective and the graph representation. So objective is the primary goal is to create the objective and the graph representation. So the main objective is to create a recommendation engine that suggests the new friends to the user that connects the mutual bond. So now I will explain how the undirected graph is represented in the social network. So now nodes is represented as individual users, whereas edges is represented as a friendship. So for example, if you take the user A is a friendship with B and D. So and then B is also friend with D. So we'll say the user D is also friend with A. So this explains how.
Okay, now basically designing an algorithm for it, we have decided for two approaches. First is triangle counting. For example, if user A and user B knows each other and user B knows user C, we can recommend user B as a friend to C. So like that, we can form a triangle between the users. Basically in Instagram we have these mutual followers and mutual connections. Like that we can connect people and recommend followers to them. Another approach is neighbors, closer neighbor. For example, if from contact list, if someone we have a list in our contact list, we can connect with them also. So there are two types of approaches, and the most effective one is here is triangle type approach, which is mainly used in the most popular platforms. And next we are about to see about the benefits and the conclusion of this case study. So girls will take over. For better understanding of this algorithm, we can represent it with three people. So triangle is actually have three edges.
Start.
For better understanding of this triangle counting algorithm, we are about to call three people. Any volunteers? Come this time. You can stand. Okay. For here is basically three people. Okay. Just consider this is user A and user B and user C. So if user A is friends with B and also user C, we can recommend user B as a friend to it. User A, user B and user C. For example, consider user B is friend with user A and also user C. So according to this algorithm, it suggests that user C as friend to the user A. In which way we can connect followers and recommend the closest friend to them.
So I am going to explain the benefits of it. Here the vertices and the edges are used currently. So it will help us to mutually understand about the networking between the mutual friends, and it will use as a familiar and relevant information. Now the conclusion is that we may know more information by using this network, and also it is so efficient for us. Thank you for your attention. Now for more interactive section, Farhana will handle it.
Do you think this type of algorithm and the friend recommendations truly helps you to build friendships or just to increase your networks? Anybody, if you have any opinion on this, can share, come share.
Yes, what Varuna said, I have an opinion. It is just for increasing the network purpose only this conceptual based are used. And this is my opinion.
Anybody? Any other opinions on this? We have something, we have a friendship like that, we have met an online friend, you can also share about it.
So next question is, what do you think about the connection between the triangle counting and the connection? So the triangle counting and connection is to build a better connection between the user and the friendship. So thank you.